Welcome to AmeenAcademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu Higher Secondary Second Year Maths Textbook Exercise 6.2, question number 9. If the vectors AI plus AJ plus CK and I plus K and CI plus CJ plus BK are coplanar, prove that C is the geometric mean of A and B. Now, vector A, let vector A equal AI plus AJ plus CK. Vector B equal to I plus 0J plus K. And vector C is Ci plus Cj plus Bk. Here these vectors are coplanar, means we can say that A cross A dot B cross C must be equal 0 since vector A, vector B, vector C are coplanar. A, B and C are coplanar. Now we'll put the values now in determinant, that is A dot B cross C equal A vectors have the coefficients A, C, B have 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, C have C, 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 B, C, C, B. It must be 0. Therefore, you can say A into 0 into B is 0 minus C into 1 is C minus A into 1 into B is B minus C into 1 is C plus C. Here 1 into C is C and C into 0 is 0 minus 0, which is equal 0. Therefore, here expanding minus AC minus AB plus AC plus C square equal to 0. Here we are having minus AC and plus AC cut. So we have minus AB plus C square equal to 0. Therefore, C square equal to AB. C equal square root of AB. If C is the square root of AB, then we can say ABC are, and C is the geometric C. Hence, therefore, C is the geometric mean of A and B. We proved that C is the geometric mean of A and B. Next question, that is question number 10. If vector A, vector B, vector C be three non-zero vectors such that vector C is a unit vector perpendicular to both A vector and B vector, if the angle between vector A and vector B is pi by 6, show that box product A, B, C whole square equal 1 by 4 vector A modulus of vector A whole square into modulus of vector B whole square. Now, here the given things, unit vector, that is vector C, modulus of vector C is 1 because it's a unit vector, and we can see vector C is perpendicular to vector B, vector A and B. Vector C is perpendicular to B as well as vector C is perpendicular to vector A and vector C is perpendicular to vector B. Now angle between A and B is given. Angle between vector A and vector B is given as pi by 6. Now consider box product of A, B, C, which is equal vector A dot B cross C here. Further we can write A cross B dot C also we can write, because the order is not changing. That means here ABC, here ABC, both will give same values. Since angle between vector A and vector B is pi by 6, also vector C is perpendicular to both vector A and B and vector B. Therefore, from this condition, angle between them two vector is, that is modulus of vector A modulus of vector B, angle between vector A and vector B, sine pi by 6 into vector C dot vector C, because both vector C is perpendicular to A and B. Therefore, we are writing vector C dot vector C here. Now, further put the values of vector A, vector B, sine pi by 6 is half into vector C is unit vector, so the modulus is 1. Here also modulus is 1. Therefore, I can write 1 unit vector, because vector C dot vector C is 1. Since vector C dot vector C equal to 1, because same vector dot product is 1. So, which is here, therefore we started with, now we can say vector A, vector B, vector C is square of this vector is, we can say, equal vector A square, vector B the square modulus, and 1 by 2 square is, we can write 1 by 2 the square, 1 square is 1, equal is, we can write in order 1 by 4 into vector A square into vector B square equal vector A, vector B, vector C square. Hence, we proved. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.